Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by taking power seriously. Remove the batteries and inspect the compartment for corrosion because dirty contacts cause intermittent connections. Once done, clean the contacts with 70–90% isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab so the metal can make solid contact. Make sure to dry it completely, then insert fresh AA cells or a fully charged rechargeable pack. You need consistent voltage to rule out power issues before moving deeper into pairing and sensing. You now handle connectivity and sensing. Resync the Wiimote by pressing the red sync button on the console and the corresponding button on the controller, or hold 1+2 to emulate pairing. Next, confirm the sensor bar is centered and 1.5 to 3 meters away with no reflective surfaces in the way, because IR tracking fails when occluded. Then run diagnostics to test LEDs, rumble, and IR pointer. This reveals whether the issue is software, hardware, or just misalignment. You finish by isolating failing components. Replace the IR LED strip, battery contacts, or warn buttons if you see physical damage, because these are common failure points. Once replaced, update any Bluetooth adapter firmware or try a different adapter to eliminate host-side pairing faults. If problems persist, test the Wiimote on another console to confirm whether the controller or the console is at fault. If it still misbehaves, document exact symptoms, swap suspect parts, and consider professional repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.